remove the mattress. Unclip the front panel from the side panel and zip up the opening panel. Unzip all four corners of the Siesta fabric. Unfasten the buckles at all four corners. Unhook the compartment from the underside of the bed base. Lift the Siesta fabric up and off the bars. Zip the four corners back up and then roll the fabric neatly and set aside. Remove the foam topper from the bed base. For each leg, unscrew the two M8 bolts and washers from the spring-loaded sliding nuts. Remove the flange nuts from the T-bolts. Ensure the T-bolt is free, then slide the T-bolts out of the leg slot. Separate the sliding nuts from the holes in the frame and detach the leg from the frame. Repeat for all legs.